You saw the money and you saw the fame, and you believe now is the time to get back into crypto. I'm gonna tell you now, this will not be some get-rich-quick scheme. If that's what you came here for, get out and close this now. You disgust me. But if you are willing to put in the work, here are the steps you need to take to make it big in the crypto space and bring life to projects like ours. The first step is so easy even crypto bros can do it, and that is to find Solana and other crypto projects. Many sites have a list of crypto projects with short description of what they are for. Some of these sites are CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and the Solana ecosystem webpage. Links in the description below. After you've found your list, now you got to filter through some shit. You want to find something with a good team, a mission you believe in, and a lot of potential. Try your best to learn from and understand the motives and desires of the potential users, the team, and investors. If you don't do this, you might as well throw your money and your dignity down the toilet. Now, you cannot avoid this next step because you're socially awkward. You need to reach out to the project team. They should have some social media presence. Say you believe in their project and you want to help them grow. They should be willing to accept your help and may even offer you a position on their team. Now, I know you got into crypto to make easy money, but you got to work if you want to be successful. There are 3 types of jobs all projects need to fill. These are the promoter, the maker, and the gatherer. A promoter's job is to bring a popular and positive reputation to the project. The maker's job is to design, build, and or maintain the product or service the project offers. Gatherers are used to get the factors of production: land, labor, and or capital. Know what you're good at and do what you can to add value to the project. You have done it. You took part in building a great project. The valuation is sky high and is providing value to all its stakeholders. You sell the tokens you have been given at a good price and go to work on the next project, where you will do the same thing all over again, but with more knowledge under your belt. Alright, greedy bastards, I have just given you the guide to crypto riches. Now like and subscribe, and if you want to support our startup, click the link below and be part of a revolution.